We are now going to be trading some binary option live once again, and you are free to join and trade together with me. Just sign up with the link that you find below the video. It's alpha1signals.com. First link you find on below the video, and you can join me today. So now let me just start up here. Just check that everything is in order, and we can start. See, we are right there. We are live. Okay. Then it's just for me to log in. Let's do a reload so make sure these numbers are correct. Okay. Let's just remove the ones that are below 70. There. Okay. Now let's see if we can find ourselves some good pairs to trade for today. Okay, we're finding a few at least. See. That seems to be it. We just have these pairs, but I think that will be enough. Okay, now right out of the bat, we do have. I don't like that this is lower, so I think I like the area up here. We can mark it if we get up there again. Let's see, entry between there and there. We will be interested in that. That can be for now. In the bottom, I don't see anything. Let's move on. Down here looks to be interesting. Let's mark it between there and bottom one there. We mark a little now because this can be useful for us a little later when we reach this target, so we don't need to waste time marking. Down here I don't see nothing, so we can move on. Now let's see here. I'm always looking a little to the left, so see if I get some clues. And do you know what? I could take a trade right away, but I will not do. I will take my time to mark it. And we take a trade up there. We are in the middle. We are good. We run it and we move on. This area, I will say, still looks good. In the top, not so much. Let's move on. Okay, he did break up. He come now. Test this area here once again. Let's zoom in. Let's mark it. I'm not sure if I'm interested. I want to see how it looks like. No. For now, no. I did not like that it started down there. I did not like it at all. So I think for now we wait and see how this will play out. Okay, let's go back to this one. We are GPO $0 after, and we won that one. He's on his way down again. Let's take a look. I think I want to redo my entry. Now below here. Let's see if we can get there again. By the way, we can put in our calculation $78. quite sweet. Now let's see. My entry, I would like to have it in the middle. Down to that level there. I can make you a line so you can see where I would like to have an entry. Let's do like that. And let's make this one a sweet white color. White, I said. I would like to have an entry there. Was it bad to get entry here? No, of course not. But I want the best entry, so we also see that we have a trend going downwards. Let's mark that as we have time. You see it looks something like this, so we might come to a squeeze very soon. But yeah, enter the white line there, that would be amazing. And we should go down there. As you see, we have a squeeze pushing us downwards. Now wait a little, do not take a trade now. I didn't like what I'm saying. When he opened like this, I don't like it. Don't take a trade, just wait. Now I think I move on because I didn't like it. And you see he pushed down, so that's why. He basically jumped below a line. I told before, don't take a trade. Now let's see what we can do here. Do we have any areas of interest? This area is actually pretty darn good. I'm going for it. Like I said before, when I choose my areas, I count my losses and I count my winners. That way I see if it's valid for me to take a trade within my parameters of win rate. Like here for example, let's take this area down here while we can. You see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 winners, then we get 1 loser. And here back again, one more, we can maybe count this, but I will not do it. But you see, we're getting more than 10 winners against 1 loser. So down here, we can clearly see this is a good region to take a trade. Now if we take up here, let's take from here, because it's from here we are below it. So you can say 1, let's count that as a lose, 1, 1. Then we will not take trade here, we need our below again. 2, loss, okay, done again. Do you know what, it's not that good. When I count over it now, looks like we maybe have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners against 1, 2, 3. 5 against 3. It's profitable. I have not decided yet. Up here, you see it's a stronger area. I think from what I see now, an entry up there is more interesting. We don't have so many, but you see, well, here was a strong support. I like it more, so let's go for that one. Down here, yes, we are interested. Now let's see if we can get down there. Looks like you need to break 1 support here, but if you can break this one, we go to the zone and we might get the trade. But you see the entry up here now, so let's move on. But I want to move this one all the way over here because it's a good one. Okay, let's move on. Up here, beautiful. I'll mark it right away. Sometimes you can see I could have taken a trade, but I don't do it. I wait till I mark it. I will take a trade up there now. And we are in. There, I got a nice entry here. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's move on. You see, I did take my time to take the trade, so everyone had the possibility to take the same trade like me. I mark it up before I take my trade. Let's see. Do we have something down here? I will say no. This area is just beautiful. I will easily take a trade here. Easily. Now let's see, 5 last second, we will follow this one. This is one of the good ones. We did actually lose it in the last second. Remember I told you yesterday, when happened that we win in last second, I really deserve it, because there are so many times I lose in the last second, and well, today it happened again. I told again before, and I tell again, when I lose in the last second, I really deserve. When I win in the last second, I really deserve it, because most of the time I lose in the last second, and it's so annoying. But it's okay. That means we have 1 win and 1 loss till now. We are currently minus $22. Actually, it's like 18, but we will put this into a play a little later. So yeah. Okay, we're getting close. And here we actually have a trade just a little while ago. I want to follow both these two. Now a little far away, so I'll follow this one. A little far away. He's retesting this resistance up here now. If it holds, we might come down there after. I'll follow these two. I'll jump a little in between these two, just so we are. Because looks like they might come in the same time. Okay. Both these two, I would really want to take a trade on. Let's remove this. We don't need to follow and see this. Now maybe he wants to go up again. Let's see. Okay. And if there are any questions, you are free to ask it. We are live in the academy. I think we have currently like 30 people there. And in YouTube, we have just 2. So that's the 2 places I check for questions. So if you have any questions, you can post it in either of these 2 places. I will check a little later. Now, maybe we get a trade here now. Oh, he's still below, but let's see. I'm in there now, and I think, no, don't say he's going to break it. I will just jump over to this one. This was sad information. Let's go here. I feel bad about this one, but let's see. I will not trade on this one more, by the way, as it did break up there, but let's see. I deserve a win. After this garbage share was in the money for all the time and lost in last second. Once again, I hate when that happens, but that's why it's so much more rewarding when it's another way around. But looks like we won that one. Sweet. Let's see what's going on. I'll put this into the calculation. We are now $56 in profit. I did not like it. This broke a little. Let me see. We need a better entry at least then. I think I need an entry something like this. Then it's still possible to trade. Now currently I like this one more. Let's go back here and see if we can get a trade here. I really want an entry in between these lines here. It's a good one. But we will take here also if we can get up there. Okay, we was there now, but let's see. I'm in there. We got an amazing entry. Thanks to that you were looking here, we got a better entry. Now let's see, and we might get one here now. Let's see. We are ready. We just pinned it. Actually, we were a little below it. Let's see now if we can get there again. I'll take it. I did not zoom in good enough to see that we were actually below it. But let's see now if we can get down there again. I'll take that trade easily. No, you don't want to. We are ready. I do also, I'm not going to disregard this. We have, oh, sorry for that. We have a trend going downwards, something like this. Are we winning this one? We won it. Let's go back and see how that looks like. That was deep, deep, deep in the money. Everyone won that trade. Sweet, we like that. Let's put that into the calculation. We are now 134. I do not want to take a trade now on this bar. I will wait. I would like this bar here to close down here first before I go in again. Let's see. I would prefer, actually it's not only prefer, I would like him to close below here. You see this line I have with the mouse? I need him to close below there before I take an entry. So as we're waiting for that, let's move over here, see if we can get a trade here. We are soon, very soon, getting into squeeze. I need to take a decision. I think this bar will be the last I'll take a trade. After that, we need to see what will happen. Typically, after M like this, he will come down, finalize the M, then he will come up to the mid zone here, and then to shoot down. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see. But yeah, we are in profit. We had 4 trades, 3 winners. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's go back here and take a look. Did we close below? Yes, we did. We can then trade up here again. I will move once again my line a little bit for better entries. Now I would say up here could be nice. You see my bottom line, I put basically, if you zoom in, more or less in the top of this red one here. And the upper line, you see, for the next buy, I take on the upper area there, you see? So that is my entry now, so something in between there, I'll take it. Okay. So always when you see my put the lines, try to identify exactly where I put them, okay? So, but once again, we are doing quite okay today. We got 1 loss, but the 1 loss we got was not deserving, I would say. We were in the money all the way. We are a little far away right now. We do see a trend here also. Like I said before, if you can draw a line, draw it, and we can see. Let's take the closest bars so we are a little more careful. Something like that. We see that we soon are coming into a squeeze here also. So I think now we need to wait here also. I do not like when I see things like this. So let's we cancel out this and this one for now, and let's move on. Now let's take a look here. Do we like this region up here? To be quite frankly, I don't like it that much. It's not clear because it's basically, when you see up the upper bars here, they are into the bars here that they take them all the way up here. So the support and resistance, so the resistance here I feel is higher than the support here. Does not fit for me, and then I can't trade it. So let's move on. Now let's take a look here. Yeah, I still like this area up here. Only if it comes from here. If it comes from here, we have 1 loss here and 1 loss here. Maybe not a loss here, but we count it as a loss. Other than that, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners against 2 losses. I think that's okay. That is profitable. Not amazing, but it's profitable. But currently we're a little far away, so let's move on. Okay. Now let's see what's going on here. Okay, we see we were trading this one. I told about it. We got the squeeze, and this time you see he chose to break to the downside. So this was a good area we are trading, but you see when it comes to squeeze, we need to stop. Let's take a look here. I basically can't see nothing. We have nothing to the left. We have no data here. When it's like this, just let it be. We can't do nothing. Okay. Now let's see. We always zoom out. Like I said, you always need to take a look to the left. This left actually looked pretty darn good. I will mark it. Then we will do a little count after. But for now, we have a little time. So I mark it in the top of the closest bar there. The bottom there. Then I take a look from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 winners. Let's count now the losers from the top. Let's count this as a loss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, was not so good. Not so good. I think if we draw the line a little lower, we need to edit. Like this, looks a little better. But we need a good entry. We need a good entry. I would say in the middle line here, if you get the middle line entry here, then we have a profitable trade. So let's mark that. I would say an entry will try. It's good to get, if you get an entry in between the blue lines, we are good. But we'll try to get an entry as close to as this white line you see here. If we can get an entry there, cool. Then we have a very high probability of winning. So let's take a look. We do see we have a trend going downwards also, so we'll mark that. The trend looks something like this. See, no, maybe it's breaking it. That would be nice, but for now it's a line going downwards. We still have some space, so I would have taken a trade down here, but when we start to come maybe 2 minutes later, in 2 minutes I will not trade more. So we can say now this bar I'll take, but the next I will not. So this is basically the last bar that I would be interested in to take a trade. So, but as you're so far away, I will just move on. Now let's see down here. Do we have any data? Go very far back now. But do you see this area here fits beautifully with this here and this here and this resistance here. So I do know what, I think we'll try it. So let's mark that super fast. From there to about there. Sweet, I'll take a trade there. Now let's see if we can see some trends here. We probably have something looks like this. You see it? See here. I think we can trade. Let me zoom in. I think we can trade here for at least 1, 2, maybe 3 more minutes. Yeah. Let's see. I will easily take a trade on there for now. Let's see. Let me see if there are any questions while we are waiting. Vincencia, you don't need to buy a new laptop because you have old. If you can actually trade on a cell phone also. Okay. And sometimes an old laptop just change the hard drive to SSD. That helps most of the time to make an old computer to feel a little faster again. And then at the same time, if it's possible, just add a little more memory, RAM into your computer, SSD and RAM, and you should be set to go so the computer is workable again. Because most of the older computers that just have a regular hard drive, as I call it just a slow drive. I don't know the specific terms for it, but just change your SSD drive and you will see 5 times faster computer just by doing that. Okay, helps a lot. I have done that on some of my older computers, and they are perfectly fine. Like I have a MacBook Pro I had from 2012. I basically just did ads. I have 16 gigabyte with RAM now, and I did upgrade. This would have a DVD drive. I did move with the DVD drive. They put a regular big hard drive there just for storage space, and then I did add a 500 gigabyte SSD drive as the main drive. Install a new operation system. Sweet, runs like magic. So just small details you need to do for getting a computer to be good enough. Okay. Now let's see here. I think we just move on. Down here, that looks pretty darn nice for me. Let's check out. See here, we don't have much data, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all winners. Can't beat that. I will now move my line a little because it looks like, even though it's just the spikes, for me it looks like it's something like this now. That gives us a little more space. So I will take a trade down there if you get down there again. That's it. Is retesting. You know what? Here actually this will be a nice sell trade. Which is I will not do it because I have not marked it. It's not fair. But you see his he have the pressure of this down, and he have this support there. That is no resistance. So I did not take it because it was not fair for me to take a trade there. But in a way it was good we did not take it, because now looks like he actually shows to break both the resistance and the trend line. Is very rare he do that type of things. So good it was not fair, because we would have lost that one. And it's not a way I typically trade, but when it comes to a cross like this, actually now it's discussable if I would have lost or not. Maybe we got lucky, who knows, but we are not trading it, by the way. So let's move on. This would have no fall below the 70, so you remove it, by the way. Now let's see here. Do we like this region there? I would say yes. So let's mark it. Mark the bottom there, and entry something between there. I think that would be nice. Counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 winners against 1 loser. Sweet. We easily take a trade there. So not even a question. High win rate. So if you can come down there again, we'll take it. Let's zoom in so we can get a better entry if that comes through. A little tired today. Maybe we're getting a trend here now. I'll mark it at least. Oh, I'll push up here now. There. I'm not sure, because I have this shitty trend line I was marking, if my entry is good. Probably not. No, looks like my entry is around here. Just because I was marking this trend, should not have done that. Let's see. I think I will take one more trade there now. It's a new timeline, so good. Let's see. If we lose this one, we probably will win this one. For now, we move on, and I think we'll lose this one. Sadly, just because I got a bad entry. Now we just need to wet this one, and let's see how that goes. Also, let's check this area. I'll be annoyed if I lose 2 in a row here now. Let's see. Let's take a look on this one here now. Are we really going to lose 2 trades in a row? We are very... And you see, the second after, I would have been a winner. You see, this annoys me. 1 more second and I would have won it. Okay, minus 200. Now we are so late in the session, so I will move my bid up to 200. We are more or less 0 right now, but little in the loss side. I will move it up to 200 now. Okay, this area here. Lately was a little ugly, so I think I'll not do it. Okay. Let's see. No. No, no trend. Moving away. I'll take an entry there if you have to go up there again. Sorry for that. Let's see. And we're moving far away. Okay, let's move on. Get back to this one. Always look a little to the left, see if we can get some clues. For me, it looks like this area there might be a good one. I don't like that it did go lower, but let's see. It's actually not normal, I see here. Entry between there, we see it will not be that bad. Let's see, I'll take a trade if we get on there again. I would say even there, looking from the left side. Let's see. Now we we might get down there again. I'm checking a little, making sure we get the highest win rate possible. I would say here would be the area. If I can get entry between there, I think that will be the area. Let's see. Let's zoom in. Getting closer and closer here now. He did go a little more lower this time. Let's see. How are we in time? We still have some time left, so we should be able to turn this around. My target, I would love to reach 83,000 today, but for that we need a couple of trades. Zoom out. I don't see nothing special there. Let's see. I like that region. If we get up there. Let's see. Small. I think this stayed true still. Around there. Let's see. Okay, we might get a trade now. And I'm in there, and we got a, I think the entry is directly on the white line. I'm accepting that entry. Now let's see here. No. Let's zoom out. We won the trade. Sweet. Let's put that into the calculation. Plus 156. We are now $106 profit. I think I'll go back to 100. Let's see, GBP USD. We're far away from this entry up there. Let's go back to here. You can check the only your trading, by the way, if you have more opportunities. Okay, he did go very far down. This broke it a little for me. I don't want to trade more here. So let's move on. We go to the start. Let's take a look here. I still would say I need to be down there to take a trade. Now let's check the top here. Do we have any information here? much that support any trading up there. Not to the downside either. You see we have a few winners there, but we broke it up many times, so I don't see it. So that's why we move on. Okay, what can we see here? We see here is not nice. I don't like it. I'll not trade it. I would say around, let's see. I'm not able to find any good trading opportunities here, so sorry, we are not trading here. Now let's see here. Let's do reset the chart to see things better. Maybe we have something here. I would say so. Oh, he broke below it, then I'm not trading it. But we actually might have something on there also. Let's see. I'm not going to trade before I really confirm it. Let's zoom in. In between there. I'll take if it come down there again. Let's see. If it can come down to this region there, yes, we take it. Let's remove this white line. We are ready to go in. Come on now. Get down there again. We are very close. Take one trade there. We are in. Nice entry. Let's move on. Now let's see here what's going on. I'll say I have nothing. Here we're looking to the left. We can see it's not bad either, but not super good. No. By the way, we won the trade here. Let's take a look. What happened? Were we deep in the money? Oh, we were deep in the money. That is nice to see. Now I want to see how this looks like. I will say our entry now, we move it a little in between these two. Let's put this into the calculation. 78. We will collect our $18 here later. Looks like we maybe can have a chance to reach 83,000 today. That would be sweet. We are currently $168 in profit. I think we move on. He's going away from our line. But everyone, they take a trade on here. You won deep in the money. Now let's take a look at this one here. I'll mark it. See what's going on. Broke it here. It's not so bad, but I see we are a little trend going down also. If I can get a trade very close to the bottom line. But now he opened up here. Let's move on. Let's move on. Now let's take a look here. Always we need to look to the left, see how it looks like. I don't see too much information. We have something over here and here, but we lost it. No, it's not good enough for us. Let's move on. I like to have a little more information before I take trades. Now let's see down below here. We maybe have something. We'll look to the left. Not too much. If I can come down, I'm on the sideline of this one. I think I will mark one more to be fair with you all. If we come down to that line there. Let's make it white. I'll take it. Let's see, I'm not taking it. There, I mean, and we got it. Then let's see how that will play out. I think that was the best we could do with this situation. Let's now move on. You see, I try to be fair. I don't just push up. I want to show my thoughts completely, so everyone have the same opportunities like me. Looks like we are winning that trade, by the way. GBP USD, there, another sweet win, $78. Let's, I think I want to move my line a little more down. Now I want to take a trade there. Let's see, I'll take it if you go down there again. Let's zoom in. You see I did put it on the spike on this one there. Let's add the calculation. 78. One more trade and we actually reached my target of the day, 83,000. That would be nice. So we are one win away. Let's see how we are in time. Yes, we have at least 10 minutes left. So we should manage that. There, I'm in, and I think my entry is on the line. So let's see if we win this one now. I already have reached my target of 83,000. Currently we are not in the money, but let's see. We'll see how that one plays out a little later. Yes, thankfully we got a high number. So we are long time in trade. Let's see if it's breaking down or what's going on. No, we should be very close to a winning trade there. He just need to go up a little bit and we are there. Let's see here. I don't like when they are playing with us like this, very close to the numbers. It's not, and you see now, and we lost the last 2 seconds. We lost it. That is annoying, but not surprising me too much either. Let's see how this one looks like. Yeah, fair enough. He did break down, so fair enough. I don't think too much about it now. But then we are yet again a couple of trades away. We are one trade again. Now we are 2 trades away from our target. We are currently 146 with 22, 160-ish profit. Let's take a look here. We have an area here, but I don't like it too much. Let's move on. This area here is nothing special. We are in a downward trend. This one is breaking down like a crazy maniac. This upper area here is a maybe. I'll mark it and have a look. There, I'll take it. Oh, I'm not sure which type of entries I got there now, but let's see. This region there, we don't have too much information. No. GBP USD, let's have a look. This one broke, but let's see if we have some information far back. I don't see too much information in this region here. So something we can deal with at least now. Looks like we're winning this one here. Sweet, let's take a look what's going on. Okay. Look at that, that's 78. We might need 2 more trades to reach our target. Do I take a trade here now? Should have done. Should have. But I'm a little too slow. I will now want him to fill up this bar again for me to take a trade. I'm just like this when I see I need him to get up there. Come on now. We need him to fill all the way up for me to want to take a trade now. I was too slow on the trigger. Sometimes the bar moves so fast that I don't have time to think, and there he did go too high, so then I skip it. When you shoot too fast and you don't have time to think, then, oops, let's reload. I need to wait a little. Okay, we are back again. Do we have any information here? In between this region, some maybe, but I'm not going to trade maybes. Well, let's see here. No information. This might be a resistant now. I'd like to see him at least go up one time. Let's say we'll take the trade here now on the white line, but how would that be played out? I believe that should be good, but let's see. We always need to see him test one time, and how good would be that he stop here now and go down again. Then we can maybe make area, but you see he just broke right up. That means we can trade. That's why we always need to wait. We never know how if a support will turn good resistance. This area, let's see. It's decent. It's decent, but not good. This area. It's broken one time, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. I'll move this one down here, just to take a look, at least. I would say there, see, 1 loss, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners against 1 loss. Good enough. We might have a trend downwards, something like this. Yes, I know I did take a spike there, but fits them perfect on this one. So more or less something like this. I think I can take a trade on there on this bar. Let's collect now this cashback up here. Just push one time and receive this $24. Let's put that into the calculation. So we have $248 profit till now. It's not amazing, but it's at least it's profit. We did quite good yesterday, and we're doing decent today. So I would feel quite good about myself with one more win. One more win that would get us very close to 83,000. Let's see. I will take a trade on this bar, maybe the next. I'm not so sure. I might need to think. Yeah, I'll take on this bar also. Entry, make a line. Let's make a white line for where I would like to have an entry. I would say if I can get the bar down to this white there on this one only. If you can get down to this white line, I will push up. Not the next bar. Next bar, I skip it. So let's see. We need to get down there now. This is the last bar. We will take a trade here. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting close. No, we skip it. I feel the squeeze is too hard, so please don't take it. don't see nothing. Nothing of nothing. Let's move on. Let's remove this. We probably have a little trend going downwards, but I don't see any entries. Probably have something at the top here now. He's testing it right now. I'm taking my time, so all have the same opportunities. I'll take a trade if you go up there again. This once again was for me being fair. There were a trade in the top. Now he closed a little high, so now I'm not interested more. Let's see. Now I need this bar here to go down and close. Yeah, around there will be good enough for me. Let's say there. Let's see. But you can see if I had just pushed it when I'd seen myself, you see I would have won. But it would not be fair because I would take a trade without you have the opportunity to take it. So you can see that I try to be fair, to not just take a trade because I see it. I need to mark it so you have the same opportunity like me. So that's the second time today I would have a winning trade if I just taken it. But yeah, I can make an additional line here, so it's easy for you to see where I think a nice entry will be. On this white line, now I will take it. We probably have a trend going upwards. Let's mark it to have a look. Something like this. We need to figure out how long time we still feel I have enough space. I will say 1 more minute. That's the max. Next minute I can take a trade up there, but then no more. But we are actually done. I see now, I will check the time. We had a quite decent live session today also. We made the $248. That is good in my book. We did not reach my target of $83,000, but hey, it's good. We just was one trade away basically. So we have one more session this week, tomorrow, so make sure you tune in then, and we will probably make some more money. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you